I thought more pain meant more progress.
I thought ignoring my needs made me stronger. We were both wrong.
Very wrong.
And Homebody Lab was about to prove it.
Let's rewind.
To the morning, everything changed.
Same city. Same sunrise.
Completely different mornings.
If I can't measure it, I don't trust it.
If I don't feel it, I don't follow it.
Breakfast is programmed, not improvised.
First meal entails kindness, not punishment.
If I can break it into steps, I can build it.
If I forget my why, the how doesn't matter.
We don't just film workouts.
We build ways home to your body.
Training the body.
Means training the heart.
I knew the science. I didn't know the host.
You must be Ethan, the data guy.
And you're Maya, the human side of the lab. Mechanism of action.
Mechanism of compassion.
We start with biomechanics.
People need facts. And they need to know they're not broken.
We roll in 10. Hook, education, then heart.
Today, we're not just training legs. We're training your inner coach.
And we'll show how your muscles grow and how self-hate kills your gains. Bar rests on the traps, not the neck. Check your grip.
Find your center. The weight is heavy, but you are stable.
Feet grounded, knees track with toes, no collapsing inward.
Slow down. Muscles understand tension, not rushing.
Quads, glutes, core. This is support, not punishment.
Talk to yourself like a kind coach, not a drill sergeant.
Let your chest rise, not flare. You're not performing for the mirror.
So I'm not auditioning for Perfect Gym Robot?
Not on my program.
Your body hears every rep and every word.
If your plan builds strength but breaks your nervous system, it's not optimal.
Self-love isn't a spa day. It's how you show up to leg day.
I used to train until I couldn't feel my legs. Just to feel worthy.
I used to skip rest days because I was terrified of losing progress.
No one told us rest was part of the protocol.
Try this with us. In for 4, hold for 2, out for 6.
Your nervous system is trainable, just like your quads.
Recovery isn't laziness. It's when muscle fibers rebuild and your brain rewires.
If your inner voice is harsher than your coach, it's time to fire that voice.
Today we trained legs.
And we trained a new voice in your head. Pick one exercise today and do it slower, with control, not performance.
Replace one, I'm so weak, with I'm in training.
Schedule your next rest or recovery block like a real session. No guilt.
Comment one harsh phrase you tell your body.
And write the kinder version you'll use instead.
Next, we'll show how hormones rewrite your training and workday.